President Aquino personally checked on flood victims in evacuation centers in Laguna. The chief executive took advantage of his visit to the La Paz Elementary School in Binyan to distribute much-needed relief goods. He assured that the government is 100% primed and ready to extend any form of assistance to the victims of widespread flooding. Elena Luna filed this report.
The La Paz Elementary School in Binyan, Laguna was President's first stop in his visit to affected areas of Typhoon Maring. The President assured the residents the government is ready to extend assistance. The school serves as temporary shelter to more than 300 families or almost 1,400 individuals. During his visit, the President distributed blankets, mats, and food packs.
Naasahan na mapapabilis yung pag-rakita dito sa mga kita to sa gobyerno, hindi gobyerno na yung sa kalamitin dito at kailangan at mga resources para maibalik tayo sa bahay sa
The province of Laguna has been placed under a state of calamity since Monday. DSWD Secretary Dinky Suleiman said 10 towns in the province have been badly affected by flooding. These are 5 cities and 5 municipalities in Laguna.
Ng Lunes ng madaling araw, lumakas na ho yung tubig. Hanggat sa na ho kaming mag-evacuate. Ito. Habang naglalakad ho kami dyan sa kalsada, yung mga dala-dala ho namin, tinatangay na ng agos. At sa mga anak namin, yun na lang pang dala namin papunta rito sa school.
Salamat kami, tuwan-tuwa po kami na napanidinig ang aming panalangin. Sana dalawin kami po dito ng Presidente.
3,300 families or almost 16,000 individuals have been relocated to 42 evacuation centers in Laguna.
Para din lang sa kaalaman niyo, Mr. President, meron din po dito hinanda na RHU ang lokal na pamahalaan. Doon po pinadala ang mga may sakit na bata. Meron din po tayong ration of mineral water dito. At tumulong na din po ang ilang mga kababayan natin dito po sa bayan na ito.
Last night, the President's sister, Pinky Aquino Abeliada, was in Laguna to distribute food packs. For the People's Television, Elena Luna, Binyan, Laguna.